Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Jay Castro, MUA, welcome. Today is the third and final look for the Christmas season. I just decided to create a just a simple green and red look. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see how I created this look, then please continue watching. I'm just gonna start by saying if you see me crunching or swallowing a lot, it's because I went to Bulk Barn and I picked up some mini Rolos and some OMGs, I believe these are called. They're like graham crackers and toffee and yogurt, like amazing. Just giving you a heads up. And if you see me eating, that's what I'm eating. My face is done. What I'm going to do are my eyes, my eyebrows, and then my lips on camera, okay? Caramel in my teeth. Okay. Starting with the eyes, I'm going to be taking the MAC Prep and Prime 24-Hour Extend Eye Base and priming my eyelids. I will be jumping into the Morphe and James Charles palette. With a Luxie 205 tapered blending brush, I'm going to jump into the color You're Kidding. Taking a Luxie 237 blending brush, I'm going to jump into the color Rusted. Taking some concealer and a detailing brush. Today I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in Light, and I'm going to cut out my lid. Taking another detailing brush, I'm going to use the NYX Glitter Primer and apply that over the concealer.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun.
With the Elamad packing brush, I'm going to jump into the MAC Glitter Brilliance in Ruby. I'm going to apply it over the glitter primer.
Keanu in the
Jingle bell.
So taking the NYX Vivid Brights liquid liner in Envy, I am going to use it on my eyebrow. Next, I'm going to take the Maybelline New York Khol eyeliner in the shade 300 and apply that to the water. With a straight liner brush, I'm going to jump into the color Daddy and set the water. Taking a Lottie London packing brush, I'm going to jump into You're Kidding and apply that to the bottom lash line.
Oh, what fun it is to ride.
Next, I'm taking the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. And next, I'm taking the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Waterproof Mascara. Next, I'm going to highlight the inner corner of my eye. On a Morphe M168 brush, I'm going to jump into So Good. I'm going to do the complete opposite on this eye. So instead of a green eyebrow, I'm going to do a red eyebrow. And instead of a red eye look, I'm going to do a green eye look. So I'll just show you the colors and everything I'm using, but I'm not going to be talking through it because you've already seen what I did with this eye. So I'm not going to explain it and like walk you through it.
Keanu in the
Jingle bell, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse
I have completed the other side of the face. I will be applying lashes and I will be doing that off of camera, and today I'm using the Iikonn eyelashes in Slay. I'm going to apply this off of camera and I'll be right back. I'm back and my lashes are on. Next I am moving on to lips. Today I'm taking the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in Lady Balls.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open.
Last but not least, we are going to set the face. Today we're using the NYX Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. Alright guys, that completes my third and final Christmas themed makeup look. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. I've got glitter in my eye, which is always fun, no? Next, I'm taking the Superhero It Mask. I'm taking the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Last Paradise. I'm going to have a red eyebrow instead of a red eyeshadow look. I'm going to eyeshadow. Your face all dirty. Oh my god, I can't take you anywhere. Let me see your face.